No power grid? In a remote area? Can and Oppos T find a place to mount a camera? How can you protect your construction site or property? Introducing the solar-powered security camera trailer solution from NT Security USA. Quick installation, providing effective surveillance for any project. The security camera trailer features a telescoping mast that extends up to 20 feet. Equipped with 4 cameras for panoramic surveillance with 0 blind spots. It even integrates an IP horn speaker, allowing for instant audio alerts when an incident occurs. The system runs on 100% solar power, operating reliably 24/7. You can easily monitor remotely via your phone or computer without any complicated wiring. Want to save on investment costs? We offer highly flexible rental packages from 3 to 12 months. Starting at just $1,500 a month. NT Security USA handles everything from consultation to deployment. Mobile security to protect your project. Visit ntsecurityyusa.net today to get your best quote.